Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make orange jelly cheesecake. Start with 250 grams of mashed Oreo and 100 grams of melted butter. Mix them together. Then lightly spray a cake tin with some oil and place your Oreo cookie biscuit base in the bottom. Use the bottom end of a glass to push it down, making it nice and compact and also going up the sides. Now freeze for 30 minutes, and meanwhile in a mixing bowl add 300 grams of cream cheese and 200 grams of sugar. Whisk them together, and then add 150 grams of sour cream. Pour in 100 milliliters of orange juice. And once that's all blended, we can pour it on top of our biscuit base. It will fill almost to the top. We're going to freeze that for 1 hour, and meanwhile in a glass bowl add 100 grams of orange jello powder and 50 milliliters of hot water. Whisk those together until the jello powder has dissolved, and then pour on top of your cheesecake. Lovely! We're going to freeze that for 1 final hour. And then it's time to decorate with some shredded chocolate around the edges. And in the middle. And finally, a finishing touch of some orange peel. Amazing orange jelly cheesecake. Can't wait to try it. Can you?